XRP Future Millionaire. It's Thursday, November 10th, 2022 at 10:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Before we get into the XRP Daily Technical Analysis, we have to discuss the CPI report that was released. So the CPI, the year-over-year inflation, everything's going up, except that they overestimated it, as they always do, to try to put a positive spin on it. So they really do control the manipulation within the CPI reports to make it look better for the markets. So it came back looking not as bad as they thought because they overanalyzed it and overestimated it. By no means is the recession over, and this is going to be one of those dead cat bounces, and in the end you're going to look at it and be like, uh-oh. So the commodities markets are looking better. Gold and silver's up today. The DXY is getting hammered, which means risk assets will be on today. Once the DXY starts moving up again, risk off, which would mean risk assets will start dumping again. This is a typical return rally for crypto as we are coming back to the drop point retest, which we're not even there yet. Yesterday on my YouTube channel, I know I only do 1 or 2 minute videos here, but I talked about how XRP would have a return rally and it would likely be the drop point retest about 0.428 approximately. Now it can stop at 40 cents. So your daily XRP technical analysis is as followed. XRP currently sits at 0.3861. We have a technical target right now. If we want to come back up and have a retest of the drop point around 428, we also have a target around 398 that we could get rejected upon, which is in the 4-hour time frame, the 20-day. So, and that's on the EMA lines. Right now in the weekly time frame on XRP, the drop is not finished yet, but this is one of those rallies. After you have a big drop, you oftentimes will come up to at least a 50% retracement, which we're getting close to, or you come back to the drop point retest, which would be at the 428 level. And that's the bull flag structure that was broken. So watch that pattern very carefully. And if we do fail to get back above, especially 40 cents, this rally is going to end very quickly. But with the way that they like to manipulate markets, this is a perfect time to have that relief rally, trap some more people in, and get the liquidity for the next push down. The FTX exchange, Binance pulled out of the deal to buy it. So this is a developing and very serious and scary story in crypto. And if it continues, this is going to end up being a bear market rally that ends up making you much farther down in your portfolio. I would add at certain levels, but never ever go outside of what you know and what you think. If you can understand the charts, that's one thing, but I'm not a financial advisor, and what I do is not tell you to buy or sell, but I give you the day's recap, especially with the XRP Daily Technical Analysis, and give you a market setup. Today is a very scary day in the market because we're having a rally right now, and it's on the inflation data that was overinflated, that came down still higher than it wanted, but lower than expected.